Good morning, Nottinghamshire Madness fans. Bank holiday Monday, and we're in Blidwoth on Andrews Drive. We've come to Blidwoth on Andrews Drive to look at this amazing transformation after conifers that must have been 20 feet high have been removed, and the view now from Andrews Drive is absolutely amazing. I guess if you're living below Andrews Drive, it's opened your back windows up a little bit for people to have a look in. I'm trying to do this without looking at houses. If you can see the view over Blidwoth, absolutely amazing view. Even as far as get past this lamppost, even to the point you can see the windmills over at Eakring and the pylons where the team that repair pylons and build pylons for National Grid. Over the top of the houses you can see towards Rainworth, which is a Tippins Wood, Blidwoth Village. And what is really nice, we'll walk down the road a bit. These are the houses on Andrews Drive. Go the other way. Open their view up quite spectacularly. The fit of the Armco. You can see the size of some of the conifers. They're absolutely massive. Let's have a walk down here to the steps, because they've produced a couple of features of animals carved in the tree stumps, which I think is great. So often they do these things, and I mean the tree stumps will always remind us of what was here. But this was the only point of view. Even this has got conifers. This is the view over Blidwoth now. Try not to draw too much on the windows, there's nobody about anyway. I'd hate to get arrested for being a peeping Tom. In the distance you can see Main Street in Blidwoth. You can see the sports field on top of the hill. I've tried to hold the camera steady so you can get a good view. The allotments on the right hand side of the screen. I'm sorry it's a little bit windy and you're probably getting a bit of wind noise. It's a last minute video on my phone. Let's just walk down to look at these sculptures they've produced. I think that must be a hedgehog. And we come further down here. Got an owl. It's an absolutely amazing little bit of sculpture there. Wow, how talented. You can just see the hedgehog in the background. And we've got a squirrel. What's the squirrel sat on? That has got to be a pumpkin. Because further up the road here, you've got RT Farms and they grow pumpkins every year for Halloween. So the squirrel, that has got to be a pumpkin the squidgy sat on. We'll go up to the squirrel at the top there. What an amazing transformation though. Just for a few, the land being chopped out. And really I know the land have been the scourge of suburbia for a number of years because they grow so big. Little bit of new planting here, look. The barriers are obviously brand new, galvanised, and it's fresh as a daisy. Here's a squirrel. The obligatory inexcusable on the pavement. And here's another squirrel carved out of one of the tree trunks. How cool is that? What an amazing piece of artwork. Looking out, there was a view. This is the view from along the road. And if we look back this way, I guess these are more of the conifers. Whether they're going to come down, I don't know. But what an amazing transformation. They have been cut back, so they're probably not coming down. I'd like them down if I lived here now. Well, little interlude in Blidwoth. Nottinghamshire Madness fans, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already, it'd be great for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.